Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find a clipboard on Android. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for example, you have typed in, please subscribe. Okay. Like so. Tap and hold on it. Now select all, copy. Okay. Now, this one right here at the bottom is the partial clipboard. You can just go ahead and easily tap on it to paste it wherever you want. Okay. For example, you go to maybe another messaging app or notes. Just tap and hold on the note. As you can see, we have the clipboard option right here. Tap on it, and here you have the clipboard. Okay. Also, just close this one. Again, tap and hold. Open up, bring up the keyboard, and once done, you have the clipboard here as well. Tap on it, and there you have it. You can just easily tap on each item right here that is available, like so, and you're good to go. All right. Some phones won't let you access the clipboard directly. Okay, you will have arrow icons right here. So just tap on it to make everything right here pop out. Okay, so that you'll be able to see the clipboard icon. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.